Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are going on a trip or maybe you have to pack a lunch for something, work, school, road trip, then these little Pringles snack cups are the perfect addition. These potato crisps are salty, crunchy, crispy, and just the perfect little bite. This is a little 0.67 ounce cup. And these are awesome because you get your delicious Pringles in a very portable size. And this little plastic container really keeps them nicely protected. So even if you stuff them in your lunchbox or whatever, they're pretty well protected by that. So it is a perfect little portion size for lunch, which is really nice. And I love that they are the delicious, crispy Pringles that you know and love. So you can get these in a couple of different flavors. And I just love that delicious crunch that comes with Pringles. They're the perfect salty bite, especially if you're having a sandwich, then these are definitely the perfect companion. So if you're looking for a crunchy, salty, delicious addition to your packed lunch, then I would definitely check out these little Pringles snack cups. They are absolutely perfect, and that's my point of view.